Namibia 2016 finalists. You are watching the News on One.
The Miss Namibia pageant is not only about finding the most beautiful and intelligent women in the country. This woman must serve as an example to other young women across the country. She must bring honor and pride to the nation and be able to be a representative of the country.
The reason I entered Miss Namibia is because firstly, it's always been a childhood dream of mine, and secondly, because I've always wanted to be a voice for the voiceless. I believe that Miss Namibia is a very prestigious pageant, and it gives you the right platform for you to be able to work with people and speak for those who cannot speak for themselves.
I entered Miss Namibia because it was a small-time dream of mine. I've dreamed about this my whole life long now. And I feel that beauty is not just about a pretty face. You can change the world with beauty.
The outgoing Miss Namibia 2015, Steffi van Wyk, during a year promoted sports amongst the youth. With the increasing rape rate in the country, one of this year's contestants said she would like to serve as a motivational speaker for rape victims.
Things like rape or abuse and violence in relationships go unnoted. People don't have the courage to bring it up and talk about it. And I feel it's something that's become a very toxic thing in our culture, especially if you look at rape statistics in Namibia. So something I'd really like to do is go speak to teenage women and boys.
Another contestant said she is passionate about children and would like to help those infected with illnesses or diseases.
It's scary to see the statistics in Namibia for cerebral palsy. 1 out of 33 people have cerebral palsy in Namibia. The first thing I would like to do is make people aware of cerebral palsy, to bring awareness especially in the northern areas, because that's where it's mostly needed.
One of these ladies will be crowned Miss Namibia 2016. The annual beauty pageant will take place on the 9th of July. For the News on One, I'm Ronaldo Maton.